Okay, so this is how to reset your Sony TV remote control. Now there's several different things that can stop this from resetting, but I'll go through the main things in it. Basically, to reset a remote control from Sony, press and hold the down button and the microphone button. Obviously if it's not working properly, you can see the orange light starts flashing. Now this won't unpair from this TV because the TV is actually switched on and it's paired correctly. So if I press the TV button, that works fine. If I press the home button, it goes back in. You can see I can skip through the menu. So this is paired via Bluetooth. I'll show you another Sony TV in the background, so you can see that one there. If I try and change that, because it's not infrared, it's not actually changing it. So let's go back to this TV, which it is paired with. Now if I want to unpair this remote control from this TV, I need to actually switch the TV off. But turning it to standby isn't good enough. I need to unplug the power. Okay, so now I'm unplugged. If I press and hold the volume down and the microphone button, that will properly reset the remote control because it won't actually find the TV. So it will go into infrared mode. Now, if I point it to the TV in the distance there, which is another Sony TV from the same year, 2020 TV, I should be able to switch that on. There you go, you can see that's come on. And if I change the menus, so it's actually working now in infrared mode, not Bluetooth, so you won't get the voice control and it won't be quite as snappy and responsive, but it will work with pretty much any Sony TV in the last 10 years. So let's plug this TV back in. Okay, so it's plugged back into the mains now. If I wait a few seconds and then press the power button, we should get the light on the front of the TV. It's not ready yet. Give it a few more seconds, press the button, there you go, you can see the light has come on just by the Sony logo and it's starting up. So at the moment this is in infrared mode. As I say, this will work pretty much any Sony TV in the last 10 years in this mode, but you are better off with Bluetooth because you don't need to point it at the TV, which is really nice. It's much more responsive and also you get all the microphone, all the Google Assistant features as well. So let's just wait for that to start up. There we go. So to pair this now, on the home menu, go up to the top, go to settings, go down to remotes and accessories, go down to remote control, and you can see connect via Bluetooth. Now there's already a remote control, it thinks connected, but actually because I've reset it, it isn't connected. So connect to new remote. And it asks us to press these two buttons, so volume down and microphone, just for 3 seconds. Starts to flash. There you go. If it doesn't pick it up, just wait a few seconds and then try again. But as you can see, mine's paired perfectly already. So now if I go back, hit the home button, you can see that because it's on Bluetooth, it's actually more snappy. It actually doesn't wait between switching, so it's much more responsive, but also the microphone function would work. So the main thing is that the TV needs to be switched off at the mains to properly reset. This is only if your remote isn't working. If your remote is working and it's paired, there's no reason to do all of this. The other thing you could try is, if you tried all of this and it's not working, is to reset the TV. So if you go up to the cog again, click on that, go down to device preferences, you'll look for a reset option. There you go, reset. And you can factory reset the TV. That will also have the same sort of effect because the remote will be unpaired from it, and then the holding of the volume down and the microphone button should work as for repairing. Another thing to do, if all of that isn't working, take the batteries out of the remote control, leave them out for 10 minutes, put brand new batteries in and try again. And that should fix pretty much most things with these Sony remote controls that are Bluetooth. They're great remotes, but when they're in Bluetooth mode, they will only work with the TV they're paired with. As I say, the functionality is definitely better with that, but if you're still having problems, just go back to infrared. So switch the TV off at the mains, press and hold the volume and the microphone button. That will reset the remote control, and then that will put it into an infrared mode, which will work with pretty much most TVs from the Sony range, but you just won't get the microphone functionality. Okay, so I hope all this helps. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.